Hey everyone, welcome back to the bench and to another Let's Talk About video. So what am I talking about today? So I thought I'd talk about shapes. I hear you. What do you mean by shapes? Well, kind of comes on, follow on from the coil video I did last week where I was showing you mandrels and I kept saying to collect things. So I thought I'd better tell you or show you the shapes I collect, why I collect them. They all come in handy. So let's have a look and see what I've got on the desk here. So as you can see, various things here. So here's the mandrels from the coil video, as you can see. And as you can see, I collect metal bars as well. Any size. Just grab it. If you find it, grab it, use it. I've also got a ring mandrel. That comes in handy. Definitely make him for rings, obviously. But yeah, collect round things. This is what I was talking about in the coils video. Collect stuff like this. Pencils, pens, you name it. Anything. In fact, I even use this. This is a pick. And I even use this for stuff as well. So yeah, collect round things. Also, look out for these kind of things. Now these are from Beadsmith. They're plastic, they're cheap, but they come in handy so much. So obviously here we have round, lots of different sizes. But here we have an oval shape. And we have a square shape. Now I do believe there's a triangle shape that goes with this, but it's missing from my set. But I use these loads. I'd be quite surprised. I've had these for quite some time and I use them. Yeah, lots of projects. Lots and lots of projects. The other one here, rolling pins. You wouldn't believe how good rolling pins come in handy. Now this I do believe I've borrowed from my kids' Play-Doh set. I've had that off them and I use that. In fact, I do small tree of life frames around this one. I do. And I've got other rolling pins as well that I've chopped up. I haven't got one handy to show you now, but I've chopped them in half and I use them. Yeah, I use those for tree of life frames. Same with these things here. So this is just a counterweight I found on, it was a part of a camera tripod set up and threw that out, but kept that. And also, let me just move it that way. Let me just show you some of the stuff I've got here as well. So let me show you this thing here. Now I did get this lot specially made for me by a blacksmith. It's what I call my jig. We used to sell this in the shop. I might even get it marketed again, but as you can see, I've got a pot of shapes, ovals, triangles, proper right angles. I can pop them on, see, little dowel, pop them on there, and I can bend round and stuff like that. So yeah, I call this a jig. And there's lots of different shapes here. That one gets used quite a lot, as you can see. So I got these made specially by a blacksmith. I actually think you can buy stuff like this now on eBay. I think there's been a few companies that have started to produce things like this. So things like this. So this is a punch to help punch holes in sheet metal. But again, these come in handy to bend around. Really, I got given this as a present, and I'm not really going to punch any holes in any sheet metal, or make discs. I think that's what this is for. But I will use these. Guarantee you that now. So again, these sizes are different from these sizes. So this is what I mean by collecting shapes. Just collect anything that's lying around the house that you can bend wire around, especially if it's square or it's triangle, because these shapes are, they're not common things you're going to find lying around the house, but you could do with a right angle, you could do with a square. This comes in handy loads. I will be using these in a couple of projects coming up. That's another reason why I wanted to show you today before we move on and do anything more. These are going to start coming out and I will start using them to bend around. So I'm just trying to get you ready to, I don't expect you to have something like this. I don't expect you to find a blacksmith and go, excuse me, but could you make me all of these? I don't expect that. But what you just need to do is get the idea into your head, start random stuff, go down to the car boot sale or the yard sale and just look for stuff, look in toolboxes, see what people have got and then just go, oh, I can bend wire around that. I can use that as a shape. Totally worth getting. So, but this is what I mean when I talk about shapes, bringing it all back in. I got a lot here and I got a few other bits and bobs up there as well. Like I say, I use pens, I use everything at my hand to bend around and to use. So start collecting shapes and things to bend around. Brilliant. There you go, everybody. Shapes. Start collecting shapes. Whenever you're out, when you're ever in shops, wherever, just always have it at the back of your mind. Can I bend wire around that? Can I use that in my work? And if I can, buy it, grab it, put it in the drawer, put it in the doom box that's at one side over there. And at some point, it will come in handy and you will use it. It might be a project that's 2 years down the line, but it will come in handy and it will be used. So start collecting random junk to bend wire around. That's really what it is. But also, if you have someone who is a bit of a blacksmith and can make you that stuff, get them to make you some stuff like what I've got, because it comes in handy. But you can buy stuff out there like that now. I do believe I have seen variations of my jig out there. I even think Beadsmith might do something. I don't know. Don't quote me on that one. I'll have a look, and if I come across anything like that, I will definitely recommend it to you. So yeah, start collecting. So the main idea for today really was to get you into the idea that I'm going to start using some of these within the tutorials. You're not going to have this, so at least you can start think about collecting things, especially square things or triangle things. They're the odd shapes. Plenty of round shapes out there, we all know that, but those odd weird shapes that you might need. Yeah, start collecting shapes, everybody. Nice one. Thank you for joining me in this video, and I look forward to seeing you lot back at the bench, where in the next video we will definitely be making something. Take care. Bye-bye. To support this channel and help me keep making more videos, please come on over to join my Patreon, where you'll get early access to all my videos, free downloads of my books and tutorials, and entries into my giveaways and more.